Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Traditional home kitchen decor exudes a timeless and inviting charm that never goes out of style. With its rich blend of classic elements and warm, cozy aesthetics, it creates a welcoming atmosphere that beckons friends and family together. One of the hallmarks of traditional kitchen decor is the use of cabinetry, countertops, and exposed beams. Elegant detailing such as crown molding, decorative backsplashes, and ornate cabinet hardware adds a touch of sophistication to the space. Warm neutral color palettes like creams, soft yellows, and warm grays create a cozy ambiance, while vintage inspired fixtures and lighting fixtures infuse a sense of nostalgia. Traditional kitchens often incorporate features like farmhouse sinks and large kitchen islands, which serves as both functional workspaces and central gathering points for loved ones. In these amazing traditional kitchens, every detail is thoughtfully chosen, resulting in a space that seamlessly marries comfort, functionality, and enduring style, making it the heart of the home or generation to home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.